What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll show you the whole software you need to repair your phone in 2026. If you have these all softwares, you can repair smartphones easily. The first one is EFT tool. This software is a very powerful tool to repair a phone, remove FRP, and you can repair a broken phone by the software if it's corrupted. And as I told you, this software repairs many phones, including Samsung, Huawei, Itel, Techno, SPD, and Qualcomm, also MediaTek. You can repair easily by USB. Even it repair FRP or fix FRP issues, including Android 16. And it also supports Xiaomi phones like Redmi and Mi. This one is the first one I choose. A software can repair any smartphones. And it can also flash Samsung mobile devices. In my previous video, I told you Cheetah tool is the only software can fix FRP from Samsung M16 by only cable. And now if it's Android 16, it can easily remove by USB cable, as you know, by the new method. Now we will go to the unlock tool. First we agree the terms and conditions of unlock tool to open the tool and use to repair the smartphones. Now it's opening and it's validating user and logging in. It can take some minutes to open the tool fully. Now, as you see, here is the interface of the unlock tool. When we click on the Samsung tab, we go to the Samsung tab. As you see, there are so many phones which supports to just fix our phone. Now, this is a common software many technicians use to repair phones. It's a special tool. Now, as you see, it can remove the FRP issues and fix FRP by meta mode, and it supports Huawei, Lenovo, Oppo, Vivo, and some other phones like Redmi, Mi, and Nokia, LG. As you see, here is a Huawei tab, and you can do many things in meta mode, and you can do some things in fast boot mode. Now we'll go to Chimera, the one which is a very powerful tool, and it's also little expensive. This tool is also a powerful tool to fix especially Exynos Samsung devices. It can just flash phone, root Samsung phones. Now we will go to the Cheetah tool. Cheetah tool is a very special tool which repairs any smartphone. It's just especially in MediaTek devices. It's a special have access to a MediaTek devices. It supports Qualcomm, Samsung by individual, and it also supports another phones like Huawei, Hisense, and another phone like Tecno, Infinix, Oppo, Realme, and Redmi devices. Here with the tabs, you can see, as you see, you can remove any pattern issue devices, and you can fix FRP by this tool simply by connecting a cable. It can remove also Android 16. I think 17 will be supported. Here we have the main and the most wanted tool. You have to buy the box first, and this tool is a very powerful tool from the another tools. It's repair anything, any issues by ISP mode. I have made a video in the previous. You can watch the previous video, and thanks for watching.